واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ويساعدكم على هذا ويجعلكم على مثل الشمس أن ترجعوا لفهم السلف الصالح.
A questioner asked, after giving the salams, will every person, believer and disbeliever, sins questioning be exposed to the entire creation? Now this is something that is exclusively for the people of wickedness and shamelessness and the people of disbelief. And otherwise we have a hadith from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ثُمَّ يَضَعُ عَلَيْهِ كَنَفَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will place his kanaf, meaning his sitr. He will place his covering over the creation when he questions the believer. Generally when Allah questions the believer, and unless the believer is being given a specific punishment by being exposed to the creation, may Allah protect us from that, then there will be a kanaf between him and the creation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will place a barrier or a veil between the creation and hearing what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking him. And likewise his questioning will not be the same. As the Prophet said, "Man nuqish al-hisab faqad halak." And whoever is interrogated, if you will, nuqish al-hisab, and whoever is going to question in great detail when they are reckoned with, and they are destroyed. But rather the believer, he will be asked about some things, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will leave off a great deal. And he will admit to his sins, حَتَّى أَيْقَنَ أَنَّهُ هَلَكَ أَنَّهُ هَالِكَ, rather, until he is certain, as comes in various narrations, that he is destroyed. The believer, when he is questioned, he will be certain that he is destroyed. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, one narration, I covered you in this world and I will conceal them for you today, mathalan. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the believer will say, as comes in some reports that are authentic, that I have some sins that I don't see here. I have some sins that I don't see here. So this is from the rahmah of Allah, from the names and the attributes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is that He is as-satir. He is as-satir. Tabarak wa ta'ala yuhibbu satra ibadihi. He loves to conceal the flaws of His servant. He loves to conceal the flaws of His servants, and He hates al-jahr bil-qawl and al-jahr bis-su', and He hates that people openly speak about evil or spread evil. But rather, He loves from His servants that they conceal the flaws of one another, and that in doing so, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala may conceal their flaws on the day that they meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
أنا أقول بيننا وبينكم السلف، بيننا وبينكم الكتب. كان أحمد يقول البدع بيننا وبينكم الجنائز.